morning and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen on this Tuesday morning. As you can see, I have donned a white chef jacket. That must mean only really one thing. I'm baking. Or something in the confectioner's realm. This morning I'm going to be preparing classic Amish baked custard. Yes. This uses whole eggs, not separated, milk, not cream. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going. The towel, once the water, this will be done in a water bath, but the towel prevents or helps prevent the ramekins from sliding around. It's a nice little trick I learned years ago doing creme brulee. So the ingredients are very simple. Whole milk, granulated sugar. I use sea salt in my baking because it's a finer grain. 4 large eggs, Mexican vanilla, and nutmeg. The rest of the hardware are these ramekins. And as you can see, I have things ready to help to put things together. So, this morning, again, I'm doing classic Amish baked custard. I got a sweet tooth right there. Yeah, right there. I have a sweet tooth. I love doing things like custards. There's no cooking in this. It's all done in the oven, hence the title, baked. But you still need to be careful when you're mixing things. Do them in order, and it'll turn out great. So on this Tuesday, welcome back. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun baking.